Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to explain to you a problem car we had in the workshop today and what we've done to rectify the problem. So this particular boat is a 2015 GLA 200 Mercedes-Benz from a good customer of ours. Came in with some issues, and when we scanned the vehicle, it was coming up with a fault code for the auxiliary battery. So we have to remember with these later model, particularly European cars, there's normally an auxiliary battery. So you've got your main 12-volt battery, and then you've got an auxiliary battery as well. And they are starting to fail as they get older, and then eventually it'll log a code saying that that auxiliary battery is faulty. So in this particular case, we were able to locate that battery, test it, confirm that it was actually faulty, and replace that particular battery in the vehicle. Don't forget battery monitoring or battery stabilisation as well, particularly with later model European cars or any late model vehicle. If you're doing any sort of programming, you're going to have the ignition on for a period of time or whatever, get a battery stabiliser onto the vehicle to maintain a good voltage in that car. So it's very, very important. The battery plays a major role now with the amount of electronics and electronic stuff that's in the vehicle. We've been able to put a repair solution up for this exact case that we had at our workshop today. So again, in the future, if you have that sort of issue, etc., there'll be a repair solution on the website. So if you are a member, make sure you're consulting the website on a regular basis to see if there's any common issues or some issues there that may be able to give you a really good direction, a diagnostic direction in regards to a problem car you might have in your workshop. If you're not a member and you'd like to join up, go to tap.net.au and click up the join up now button and join the many other thousands of members that are sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.